Sworn affidavits from military veterans who say they sprayed Agent Orange on Guam.
They were applying these things on Guam, yeah. So that was enough for us to initiate the investigation.
These affidavits from former service members stationed here tell the story of Agent Orange use. One veteran saying he sprayed thousands of gallons of Agent Orange from a 750-gallon tank hooked up to a tractor. Another veteran swearing he sprayed fences and pipelines on Guam. Veteran Victor Vreeland swore he dumped drums of Agent Orange and other toxic chemicals into burn pits on Anderson Air Force Base. All of these veterans sharing a litany of illnesses, from cancer to sterility.
The November 2018 results that we do have do indicate trace amounts of both constituents of Agent Orange, that's commonly known as 2,4-D and 2,4,5-T.
These two herbicides combining to make Agent Orange. While 2,4-D is still available for sale, commonly known as Roundup, 2,4,5-T was banned in the mid-90s after links to cancer and other harmful health effects were blamed on 2,4,5-T's high levels of dioxin. But Lee tells KUAM News that the discovery of trace elements of Agent Orange ingredients doesn't necessarily validate what veterans who sprayed the deadly chemicals say. Agent Orange was definitely used on Guam.
It's possible that these two were used independently from each other. So you're not going to be able to, we can't definitively conclude that Agent Orange was or was not present on Guam. We can only tell you that we have detected its constituents at non-toxic trace levels.
With Agent Orange testing and sampling done in April, November, and December of last year, we asked Lee just how feasible it would be to actually detect the notorious chemical almost 50 years after veterans say they sprayed it on our island.
Particularly when exposed to sunlight and ultraviolet light, will make detections that much harder, over just even a span of a few weeks.
Lee tells KUAM News sampling results from December tests funded by the Department of Defense cannot be released because they're being reviewed by Guam EPA's Peer Working Group, which includes Joint Region Marianas. So we asked Lee if relying on the military to investigate itself is equivalent to the fox guarding the henhouse.
If there's any cases of impropriety as far as you say, the fox guarding the henhouse, we'll take that up with the proper authorities who have the ability to handle that.
For Guam's News Network, Chris Barnett reports.